How to change phone app privacy settings on Android. If you want to improve your phone privacy and control what the phone app can access on Android, this video will show you which settings to check. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Apps, then find and select the Phone app. Now, scroll down and tap Permissions. Here, review the permissions given to the phone app, such as contacts, location, photos and videos, SMS, and call logs. Keep the permissions that are necessary for the features you use, but disable anything you don't need. For example, you can set location or photos and videos to Don't Allow if you don't want the phone app accessing them. Now, open the phone app and tap the three lines in the top left corner. Select Settings, then check Call ID and Spam. For better protection against unwanted calls, you can enable spam protection and choose to block suspected spam or scam calls. You should also check call recording if your phone app supports it. Review any saved recordings and delete them if you don't want them stored on your device. After reviewing these settings, your phone app will have only the permissions and features you actually need. That's how you can change phone app privacy settings and improve call privacy on Android. If you find this video helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more videos.